Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. I believe this is Tuscan Sun. I want a bunch of yellow and some orange. And I'll add other colors afterwards. I might add white. I haven't made up my mind yet. This is, I believe, Gone Bananas. And I've got a mix of yellows with orange. And I'm going to use a little orange crush. Kind of want to put some gold in there. I've got some, well, you know what? I'm not sure that was Tuscan Sun, but dazzling white. Metallic from Art Deco. Deco Art. I get that wrong all the time. I have a few colors that I'm running low on, but I love them. One of them being Pink Carnation. I'm going to go underwhelming on this stage, hopefully. This is Ginger Flower. And now I'm going to use my Oxo Omelette Turning Flip and Fold spatula. Get a couple bottles out of the way because I want to flip this around. I'd like to have room to do it, but it's easier than the 18 by 24s. Picking and choosing my spots. I think we're going to go for some saffron. And a little more orange crush. And I spy the Tickled Pink. Now if I scrape with my spatula, I can get paint to go a long distance. And yellow is a strong color. It's definitely the ugly duckling stage. It's not going to be yellow for long if I keep doing that. Keep being called to Rhapsody Rose and Dancing Fuchsia. Right now, more orange crush. And yeah, I'm going for it. Dancing Fuchsia. We'll see where this takes us. I do love how that Dancing Fuchsia looks. I've also got Miami Magenta, which is appealing at the moment. I think I'm going to put a little bit of Deco Art 24 karat gold in there. I've got lots of stuff on my spatula, which I'm not entirely sure I want to mix in, so I'm going to take it off. Do I want anything else? I think I'm going to add some dancing fuchsia again. Oh, that's kind of interesting. I think I'm going to dose it with some white though. There's the gold. There's the water lily. I've got paint and not sure where I want it to go. Oh, the dancing fuchsia and the water lily look really similar. I really want some blue. I really want to just do some odd things. With my spatula. Not that I'm very happy with that. That didn't really do anything for me. I've wanted to just do something and then use my toothy tools on it. I think dancing fuchsia will have to do. It may take over everything. It probably will. I wonder if it should have been Egyptian blue instead. I guess maybe that's going to work better than I thought. I don't know where I lost you, but I want to keep going, and I've only got like 10 minutes before dinner. This is some Rhapsody Rose. Bring Wisteria. And I think I mentioned the Egyptian blue. I want some periwinkle. And I might still put the black in because I think it's definitely in a fugly stage. Before I do that, I'm going to add some Snapdragon. Sort of change the entire color of everything. I want black and white still. But no risk, no reward. Let's grab a toothy tool. One with big spaces and little teeth. Not my favorite. But I do have a favorite. It's just that the paint is maybe too heavy for it. I'll try this. I like the fact that yellow's under there. To peel all the paint off my tools, so I'm trying to remember to wipe them off. I have a much smaller tool. Well, there's still a few pieces of negative space, not much. But it's definitely fun. And that is that. Wow. I definitely like the yellow background. And the blue that stayed along with the purple. That yellow dominated. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel, And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, Volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.